Hello everybody and welcome to my first episode for the playlist coding. It's going to be all about coding, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make programs and stuff out of a bunch of different languages using a bunch of different whatever you want to call it, like text thingies, like NetBeans. We will be using NetBeans. For this one I'm going to be using Notepad++, and I'm going to be showing you the basics of batch programming. So for this episode, I'm just going to be going over how to make a batch program file and how to run it and stuff, and basic commands. So what you want to do, if you don't need Notepad++, you could use Notepad, but they're pretty much the same. But for Notepad++ users, you need to go to Create New, which is right here, and then you need to go Language and click on Batch. And now this applies for everyone. At the top of every batch document, you always have to put echo off. And when you're doing every code or something, always press enter. So now, if you want the screen to print something out, you'll just do echo and then whatever it wants to say. So, hello YouTube. And then if you don't put pause after it, it will just close out and you won't get to read the text. So let's, oopsie daisy, that's something I'm working on. I'm going to show you guys that in another episode. But so now just name it. So just name it whatever, and then you want to put .bat at the end of it. And actually I already have one, so I'll just put utub. Put .bat at the end of it whenever you make a batch program file. Save it, and then you go to it. When you double click it, it should say hello YouTube, and then you do that. So if you want it to look prettier, a command you could do, well, if you know a lot of commands in batch, just in the command window, or the command line I should say, or in CMD, then this will be pretty easy for you. You just write in commands like this. So like, say you want to change the color to green, just write commands like that. Or you wanted to pop up help, just write help like that. And for those of you who don't know what CMD is, just go into your search and search up CMD. And then, yeah, my computer's a little slow. And then this is command prompt. It's what your computer uses to run stuff, but for some reason mine's all messed up when I try to type in help. That happens. But yeah, so that's command prompt. So anyways, this is, oops a daisy. What did I just do? Alright, I need to stop clicking stuff. Well, anyways, so I want to show you what this does. Color A makes it green, pretty like that. You could do a bunch of other commands. I mean, a bunch of different other colors, like A, B, like a background. This. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah, we don't want that. Let's keep it A. Looks cooler. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. But there was one other thing I wanted to show you in the basics here. Ah, jeez. Well, so that is pretty much the basics of everything. And so next episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make like passcodes to get in stuff. The next episode will be on passcodes. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button if you learned something. So I'll see you next time.